Jamshedpur, Tata Nagar. I born in Jamshedpur, but currently I am in Bangalore, working in engineering college as a research head in Oxford College of Engineering. And my study, I finished my study from schooling and graduation from Jamshedpur, Tata Steel. Everyone know Tata Steel company. Jamshedpur is famous for. And graduation I did from Jamshedpur, and master I moved to Banaras Hindu University, because my interest from the beginning was in mathematics and physics. So I was very much interested for innovation from the childhood time. So I thought, okay, I should go for the higher study. So I went from uh, Banaras Hindu University for my master, where I did my MSc solid state devices. And then in between I got married after my MSc, and I qualified GATE exam. GATE is aptitude test, graduate aptitude test for engineering. So my all India ranking was 270, and I got in IIT. I got admission in IIT BHU, Banaras Hindu University, for PhD, and I did my PhD from BHU. And in between marriage and son, everything was there. In this way, I finished my PhD. Yes, because when in my school time also, teachers were teaching anything and they were talking about any device, then I was getting very much fascinated. More towards my study, I want to know that to make the device development. And from the beginning, I was interested to do some innovation and recent trend. Like right now, I'm working in the quantum computing. I'm working in the photonic chip design, which till now it has not come into the market. But in European country and other country, they are still working on this. So my interest from that time also to solve the people will just do the study for passing marks, but I was studying to learn that. So that time differential equation was very tough to solve in my college time, but I used to solve the okay, this equation is very complex, okay, Preeta Sharan will do this work. So my friends used to tell, I solved the equation. And now I am so happy to say that basic concept is very useful now in making my career. So during my school time, my college time, I was not knowing that this hidden talent actually it was my passion, actually, I can say. Not to score very good marks, or not to do anything, but just I was happy to solve equations. And those all equations are now basic building block for any fundamental to understand the any complex theory, which I am now trying to do that with Indian Institute of Science. It's in Bangalore, with Professor T. Srinivas. I am associated, and with him lot of funded project. So I'm happy to say in my college till now 2 crore funding I got from Government of India with that, my passion during my time. Because that time my elder, we are 4 sisters and 2 brothers. And that time my elder sister, after 8th standard only, she took art subject. So basically my mother was housewife. So, and such a being big family, my father was very busy only in earning. So he was not having any time for us. So no, basically nobody was there. So I told my sister when I was in school, some numerical I'm not able to solve. Then my mother told, she is actually role model for me. My mother told, okay, you are going to school, so you understand from your teacher in the school itself. Don't ask that nobody is there in home to teach. But she was motivating, and she was encouraging us. That time marriage was the only destination for the female child in our side. But she used to tell, no, if you are interested in maths and science, you have to do something. So you should go to the school, and from the school teacher only you ask. So I used to, in lunch break time or after, break time, I used to go and ask that, okay, you solve this. I am not able to solve this. So teachers motivated me, and teachers were very surprised that, because that time mostly students will not go to the staff room and ask. They will very, scared to face the teachers and all. But I used to go, no, my mom told, because my sister cannot teach you. She is taking arts. So you help me, ma'am. So they were very supportive actually. That's what I am telling. And they told that you can solve this numerical in this way also, and this way, all possible way. So I was teaching to my own classmates after that. And even teacher was very happy. Okay, one student is coming regularly and asking the numerical to solve that. So that was the thing. And I used to solve, and my mother used to encourage me. She was not taking any work from household work from me, although we were having financial problem and all, but she used to do everything. And with that, I can say, with that motivation, we four sisters, out of four sisters, all four sisters are doctorate. Three sisters are PhD doctorate, and one sister is MBBS MD. Because all my mother motivation, I can say. She was doing all the work, all the household work, everything. And she was sitting with us and telling, okay, you solve this on numerical, you are able to do that, no problem now. So, yeah, this motivational factor came from her. Yes, many time it happened to me. They were telling, why you are wasting your time, because this is out of the syllabus. It is not required. You should be limited to your course material, study material that you are doing. Why you want to understand more? Because I was very interested to understand more what is going on beyond that. And yeah, that it happens. But no, my interest was there. That time, no Google, no nothing was there. When I did my metric, when 10th standard in 85, that time much exposure of internet was not there, so only textbook and all. But yeah, they were telling like this, but my interest, my mother was there, and she was the only one who used to encourage and motivate. And now I am finding a lot of basic fundamental. Nowadays I am seeing, observing, students are not focused because of I think its plus point is also there, minus point is also there, for a lot of social media and net and all. But we were very much focused that what we have to do, and I decided that I have to go for maths and physics, and I will go in that direction. Yes, this was the very important, because any being an engineer, now I am currently teaching in engineering college, electronics engineering department. I am professor. I was HOD also, and now I am research head. So what I am finding, students are not having good fundamentals. This I am finding. So we were having the good facility of the library, and I used to sit time for the library. That was from the beginning, and it become habit actually. Then when I went to BHU, uh, there also Central University library is there, very very nice library. And that time hard copy was there, so we used to sit and we used to solve. And that was the reason, because after my MSc, there was only two seat for the scholarship test, because my parents told, now over, now you come and we will fix your marriage. Then I don't know, I have to qualify all India entrance. So BHU scholarship, only two seat was there, and only numerical they have asked in that. But yeah, because of my library hobby, we were used to go by cycling to the library. And it is very good actually to solve numericals and all, and have look about the. So that helped me a lot. And I got first, I got break. I qualify the BHU scholarship test, and next I qualify gate, where my ranking was 273. Because I was knowing my family condition, that once I will go back to my home, then I think I will not able to continue my study because of financial problem. Yeah, we were six, four sister and two brother. So I was thinking, no, first I have to get scholarship. That was my aim that time. That was the only aim when I was student, to get the financial support from somewhere. So, so that encouraged me to have a fighting spirit for anything. So that motivated me. I think I can say that. He was very busy in earning for us, because he was having lot of burden on his shoulders. Not only we six, but his two sisters were there. So he was the only member for earning that time. That's why we all were struggling that time, because of books, because of uh, good dress and all. So we used to think that no, first we have to be, financial. That time also my mother told, you should do very, you settle in your life first, very high position. Don't go for small job and earn money and be happy. No, you have to give back to the society. Okay, and what she was telling, that if a girl child will study higher education, then because they are going to see the two family, your own family and your husband family. So this vision, that time she was telling, when we were school children, that time she told us, and today I am realizing it is really correct. Because of that, I changed so many. And being a female, I changed more, and till today, I motivated many students who are the girls. Some student, because I am working in Oxford Engineering College, where very high society family, because fees is very less here. So the very normal type of people are getting admission. Recently, one girl told, my father is not there, and I am earning and I am studying and giving the fees. Then I took this such a very seriously, and she told, my mother is selling the sweet at the street, then only we are giving the fees and all. So I took very seriously, and today I'm happy to say she got three jobs, three cognizant she placed, and she placed in three places. She was the first one, in fact, who got three job. I'm so happy to see the happiness, because I know the struggle. I know the thing. If you are struggling to give fees only, then how can you think for any extra mentoring or anything? So I think that for a female, quality education is really very important, because she understand, and she will give back to the society. So I can say, after 30 years, by what my mother told, that if a girl is getting educated, they will change the society. So I can say, I gave Navya, one girl student, she is in 8th semester now, but she is placed in three company. So as per the rule, she should get, after three companies, she should not sit for other or campus interview. And really, I can say to my mother that, yes, mom, what you told is really correct. Because being a female, I have gone through that, and I know that the biggest challenge which I face, when after my PhD I came back, and my son was there, and he was only 1.5 year old, and I got selected for IIT Kharagpur for postdoctorate. And it was not so easy, because that time my husband, he is a central government employee, and he was posted in Patna, Bihar. And Bihar, mother-in-law, and they were not ready to send me. And that too, my child was 1.5 year old. But again, my mother told, you just put your leg first step forward. She's not so highly educated, but she was very visionary, I can say. She told that you put your first step first yourself, then you see full society will help you. But if you will not go, interview I gave, I went physically for interview with my baby. My parents, my mother and father also went to Kharagpur from Patna. And I can say that, yes, it was good decision. Afterwards, everybody helped me. But first, that that courage to come out from the social, social pressure will be more with the female. I got government job in Bihar Lok Seva Ayog. Through that, my ranking was first rank, but my husband was in all India service, so he will get transferred from Bihar to some other place and all. So I came to Bangalore because right now he's posted in Bangalore. So I joined in engineering college, Vemna Institute of Technology. So what I was observing, I was a faculty teaching, just a teacher for engineering student. After my postdoctorate and leaving three government job, I was thinking, okay, I am doing again. My parents told, look, only for teaching is not enough, go for the research. So I was listening the talk, and Professor T Sinivas from Indian Institute of Science, professor, he interacted me. I called him in my college as a guest lecture. He interacted me, and he told that uh, I found that you are having a lot of potential and you can do the research. And today also he is in the Photonic Society chairman in Bangalore, and he is working in the Indian Institute of Science in photonics. And my area of research was also photonics. In PhD and in postdoctorate, both I work on photonic sensor. So he told that why can't we will do the collaborative work. So that was the really breaking in my life after 5 years of teaching. So I can say Professor T. Srinivas, and where I was working right now in Oxford College. I changed the college because in my previous college, a lot of research work was not going on. My HOD was there, Professor R. Nagraj, and he motivated me to write a funding for the Naval Research Board for Indian Navy. So I started my first project from Government of India, Indian Navy, where for the big ship, I I have developed a device for the health monitoring system, so that if a small hole will also come before only the ship captain will come to know that that sensor we have developed for that in 2011, that I started with Naval Research Board funding, and Government of India is really very kind enough. One after another, I got the funded project. That time I got 25 lakh from the DRDO. Uh, then again next, it is after that my journey towards the research it started. So I am really thankful to Dr. T. Sinivas from ISC, and he's always a mentor for me. I got from ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. I worked with the, because funding will be there for 2 years and 25 lakh, 20 lakh, this we are getting. So I have developed so many devices. One device I developed, like specs you are wearing, the specs you wear, and if your hand is cut from here, hand is no more. So how you will move the mouse? So you have to wear the specs, and if you want to move the cursor up and down, you have to move your mouse up and mouth, head movement, left, right. So with that, I have done the technology transfer. So that device is in the portal, and many company are coming to take that device. So this device I have developed, and like this, 4 5 device we have developed. So with ICMR, we are in the process. Second device with artificial intelligence model, what we have developed, like QR code, you will go and do the Paytm. In the same way, in any mobile camera, uh, our app, you can download the app from the Google Play Store. In the same way, we have to put in the Google Play Store. And if skin cancer is there, for that you have to check that. So first level of screening you can do by seeing it may be ordinary rashes or it may be a skin cancer. So with your mobile camera, you can check it, so that by sitting at home, if you have doubt that from longer period, your rashes is not getting cured, so it may so happen, it will have a skin cancer. So that app we have developed. So our group, me and my PhD, under me, 6 PhD student, those who are BTech, MTech, and then PhD, they are joining. So 6 PhD students graduated under me, and 7 are pursuing right now. So with this team size and MTech and BTech student, I am developing the device. because I'm involving BTech student also, so it is helping them to get placed in the company also when placement will come. Yes. No, it is not there in the market. It is under research actually. So now I have done for the white skin, and because I got the data set from the California. So right now I am collaborating with the St. John Medical College, and I'm trying to get the data from the Indian skin. So if the moment data set I will get, already I have algorithm, I have model set, so which we can replace it. And in my R&D center in Oxford College of Engineering, uh, they have given me a big uh, room where I have installed all the equipment worth 2 crore. So I have developed one railway track is there. So actual railway track and the wheel is in terms of tons. So I have done the prototype, one third scaling I have done. Exact railway track, one third weight wise. Okay, and size wise. So one boggy and railway track I brought to my, I got funding from the AICT. In that, what actually we are developing? Suppose uh, uh, on the same railway track, two train will come. So how to avoid it? Night 2 o'clock, night, okay, night 12:30. Sometimes what happen? The problem will be that we will not come to know. For that, we have developed the device where sitting inside the room, station master, aram se they can see on the big wall where peak will come. Like in terms of technology, if I will say that, they can check that one train passed and second started coming. Some alarm will come. If he is sleeping also, that alarm will come, and station master will stop the accident. This is one of the objective. And second thing, what we are doing, we are measuring the weight of the train. Because what happened, Indian railway is the government, so revenue, government is generating by the goods train more. So this railway track is used by the private party, like Tata company is using. I have seen from the childhood. It's used by the other Jindal, many private company. So railway track is going inside the company, and they will, loaded and unloaded train. So right now, what is going on for loaded and unloaded train? Same revenue Tata company is giving to the railway, Indian railway. So if it is loaded or unloaded, we can tell the weight. How much is the weight? That much revenue government should get. So for that also device we are developing by using the dynamic load analysis. So all three, four road, sorry, wheel and rail impact uh, analysis right now we are doing. Yeah, quantum computing. Yeah. So what actually we are doing right now when I'm talking to you with the laptop, so backside all the chip are there, which is semiconductor chip. So you will see that because of each chip will generate lot of heat dissipation. Because of that, our mobile or our laptop life is hardly 5 to 6 years. Or if you will use minimal use also, it will last up to 10 years. That's all. That also very difficult. But right now, research is going on quantum dot based chip. So each chip, each IC, if it is made up of the quantum dot, it means heat dissipation is zero, no heat dissipation. So researchers are working, and the heavy size, bulky size will also go. If you will lift the laptop motherboard, its size is very big actually. So I filed patent on that, okay, and it got sanctioned also. So where same functionality what semiconductor chip is doing, my quantum dot based chip also giving the same output. So this in first level I found the patent. So till now 15 patent I found of my devices, and two got sanctioned after 7 years, because it will take their own time, because free of cost actually I am giving this. Greatest success in my life is self satisfaction. if you are satisfied with your work. And second thing, if my little help will make others to happy, if that is my satisfaction, and I think it is success. So success definition, I think, change from one person to another. I am very happy, by involving in research and by helping, especially female candidate, because I got lot of opportunity, because being in a teaching position. So I like to be in teaching position and doing the research, because I will get lot of student, especially the girl student, and I motivate them, and they are working with small student is having so much thinking power. I observe that sometimes I felt that it is not possible to do that, but girl student, and they have lot of potential. Just we have to ignite it. Little ignition we will give, they will come up with the solution. So that is a success. I found right now one female candidate. I'm not telling the name. She suffered a lot actually, because of the family matters, and this age marriage not possible, and she was doing the PhD. And I told, I'm always with you, and with I'm standing with with the holding hand. And now everything is all the problems solved, and she's continuing her job and research both. And this is my success. I'm happy. People are not knowing me, or not much people know, but I'm really very happy that she is happy now. Now tears are not there. So this is called success as per my definition. Some of the failures came when you are doing the research. Actually, some of the failures will definitely come, but with that patience, we have to. Right now I am developing one device for physiotherapist, where my own I met with a road accident actually. So here, in my hand, rod was there. So I was struggling from right hand to right and left. I become lefty because of that. Sometimes again again I switch over to right hand now. So what I have developed one device now, I'm developing for to get muscle strength. How you will measure the muscle strength? For that, I have written to VGST, Government of Karnataka, and got 25 lakh. So I thought that this device will work in the way I am thinking, because I was going to physiotherapist, and then saw what device they were having. But when I did in 3D printer, in my R&D center, 3D printer is there. Prototype I have done, and I was trying. It was not working and measuring the muscle strength, which I aim to do that. So this type of things will come. But then again, talking to the doctors and other people and all, we keep doing. So failures are there, but with patience and trying, we can do it with other people. Society will definitely help us if we have self motivated to do that. Definitely, I think people are there to help us, and we will get all the help. What happened? Uh, Anybody who is having a rod in the hand or hand fracture, after some time you have to go and meet the physiotherapy. First, physiotherapist will come and do, or else you will go there. They will tell you move your finger, and first of all, here so much pain is there, so your hand will not move only. Okay, so you have to travel. I was traveling to the doctor because they were having lot of devices, and I was observing that time, because I'm very keen observer. Wherever I'll go, I will see what type of device. So they told that you put a pressure on the hand, like palm pressure device, and you see that how much. I was not able to apply the force. Same device now I tried. Same device I tried now, and by using the optical sensor, sensor is mine, which is made up of photonic sensor, and I recreated. When I recreated, and I am applying the same force, and I am not getting any display. So the device which I thought it was working, it was mechanical device with the spring based. Now I have changed it. It is a photonic based device. So it was not working. So it was basically the same look. So now I have changed totally. I try to remodify, and again now it's very highly sensitive. So if if the person is having any damaged hand or not perfect hand, how much grip is there in your hand grip. So we are making the gripper. So four device I'm developing with the scissor kind of thing. You can apply the pressure from here. So this grip strength we can measure, and you can apply the palm pressure we can measure, and elbow pressure you can measure. So with one failure, four success I got. I was trying only for the palm, which has not happened. Then I thought that why not muscle strength I want. So with the grip also we will see with the both the hand grip or single hand. My device is like a scissor. So with this hand you can see and display will come how much muscle strength you are having. So with the normal person, I have the values, and with the person who is having a rod or any other kind of surgery, so you can match the values. So until and unless we are reaching the normal person correct muscle strength gripper value, we can keep doing the exercise. Yeah, I will advise to young women that nowadays a lot of distraction is there because of social media, because of internet. So they should be very focused, because their mind is very much scattered nowadays. I am observing they are very confused mind. I want to do this also, this also. So I will advise them that please focus to your goal and stick to your goal. If you like to dance, you go in dancing. If you like to sing, you go in singing. What you like, you go towards that, but you do best in that field. This is what I want to advise to the younger generation. uh, Coming to sustainable, now actually I want to cool my mind, because my work nature of my job is to give a mental work. Any, because always one device is there in the progress, so I have to think more. So I want to be very cool and calm. For that I started yoga and low calorie food and exercise. So this in sustainable is related to the energy and all. So I want my food habit, outside food I never used to take, and yoga, exercise, walking. And this, I am on this track. I never give pressure to me, because now I have seen that many people, many of my friends, they lost their life, because of high pressure and high taking more tension. So to release that, it is very important to smile and laugh, and to be interactive with the others. And this type of sustainability is required, very much required. People are thinking no, only old age people will do. This is what the the uh, this assumption is there in their mind. But I think no, it should be done for everyone. If you want to think in constructive way, and if you want to have positivity in your life, which I adopted. So this is my routine actually. After coming to my college, I will focus for that. Yoga class is there, so I will do the yoga. Then walking is there. In evening, havan we are doing. That is giving lot of positive energy, lot of positive energy. I used to give talk actually. In fact, I'm very many country I visited, and I was invited as a keynote speaker for my technical talk. But along with technical talk, in online webinars, now I started many. I am giving for technical, but now I am giving this for havan. Such a good positive energy it will come. I really, it is very good, very good. I started recently since 1 year, and I've seen the changes. And it's a lot of when I studied about that nanoparticles are coming from the fume, and it is very good for total ambience, for the house. Lot of positive energy is there, and it's lot of scientific background is there. So all those things I adopted, and I will advise to everyone. Yes, we should do this yoga, walking, and low calorie food. this will really work out in somebody's. It's not like only the lecture, but really once if you practice, you will get the benefit. When you are doing the havan, so what happened? Like suppose I am doing with Gayatri mantra. So when we are putting the materials, havan materials, with that kapoor you are giving, with ghee you are giving. So all the things, when fumes are coming, that fumes will have that quality. It will, you will go through the trachea, it will go through your trachea, and in that small nanoparticles are there, which will go to your neurons, and it will give the very positive energy, and you will your mind will be very cool, and always you will think positive. In that in that lot of research is going on, and many doctors are involved. I have seen now everything is there in the Google. Just starting level, when corona time was there, I started doing. Okay, because of corona people were talking. Okay, I started. After that, now corona is not there, but that comes in my practice, and very small. It will take hardly 10 minutes time. Very small, with the cow dung cake. It's coming in the market nowadays. That I have taken, and in that I am doing, and really it is very good, very good. You can avoid lot of things. Lot of scientific proved it is.